hopefully fewer delays.
Hopefully. That is a possibility this evening if you have an evening flight, because we're going to be tracking a good chance of some strong storms by that point. Just showers on the radar this morning to our north and to our west. These are largely going to fall apart. I can't rule out a sprinkle north of the triangle as we head through the morning, but for the most part, it's just going to be dissolving, and Futurecast has completely dry by 8 o'clock. It does try to pop up a shower or two as we head towards noon. This isn't likely to become anything that we need to worry about, not even any rumbles of thunder yet. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms more likely farther into the afternoon, but that best chance of the most widespread storms is going to develop this evening into early tonight. We'll freeze the maps here at 8 o'clock. That's a lot of thunderstorm activity. Now, this is one version of one forecast model. Others are a little faster, others are a little slower. Some are farther north, some are farther south. You get the idea. But this gives us a good snapshot of the overall pattern in terms of how many storms are going to be out there and when they're most likely from this evening into early tonight. They move off to the east pretty quickly, off of the coastal plain for the most part by already midnight, with some lingering showers still possible overnight into the first half of the weekend. The strongest storms could prompt some severe thunderstorm warnings this evening. Slight risk of severe weather. That's level 2 out of 5 on the Storm Prediction Center's scale, and a marginal risk farther to our west. I really think that the greatest threat's going to be along and east of I-95. That doesn't mean we're going to be out of the woods in the triangle. It just means the farther east you go, the greater your threat is going to be. Damaging straight line winds and large hail will be the main threats out of any severe storms. Frequent lightning is going to be a threat for any thunderstorm. It doesn't have to be a severe storm to produce that dangerous lightning. So just stay weather aware. We'll be here keeping an eye on things as we head through the rest of today. Right now, as you're heading out the door, it's just warm. 72 degrees in Smithfield, a mixture of clouds and clear sky overhead. The sun coming up. Beautiful sunrise from Carter Finley Stadium. 71 degrees the temperature there. 71 officially in Raleigh, 72 Durham, just 68 in Chapel Hill, and 65 for the cool spot right now in Sanford. 73 right now in Zebulon, and it's even warmer farther south. 73 Fayetteville, 76 on Fort Bragg. Warm morning on Post there. 78 degrees in Grace Creek, barely below 80. We do warm up a lot before that best chance of storms develops. Temperatures into the upper 80s in the triangle by noon. Maybe a little cooler where you get some of those sprinkles this morning farther north, but we'll wait and see on that one. Close to 90 already in Fayetteville by lunchtime, and you'll crack 90 again today with high temperatures right around 90 degrees in the triangle before that best chance of scattered storms develops and starts to cool us off. Yesterday we set a record high temperature in the triangle and in Fayetteville, and we're now in 4th place for the warmest May on record. This is the last day of May, and I think it's going to be hot enough to boost us 0.1 degrees into at least a tie for 3rd place. The warmest May on record. Last year was the warmest May overall. That high temperature of 90 degrees will have you sweating in the humidity this afternoon. Tomorrow, though, not as hot. Still muggy, lingering shower, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, and then a lower rain chance but warmer temperatures for Sunday. We dry out and we cool down a bit. Monday and Tuesday, low 80s with overnight low temperatures even dropping to the 50s by Tuesday morning with that lack of humidity in place. Enjoy that while it lasts, because we're back into an unsettled weather pattern by Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures in the mid-80s with scattered showers and storms by the middle of next week. We'll keep you updated.